Hi guys and welcome back to my channel everybody. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today in front of me is the product which I waited for so long, and I am even very excited to open this product. So as you can see, Nikon is written over here, so that means you can guess that it's a DSLR for sure. So just guess which DSLR before I unbox. So this is the bag, this is the memory card, like 16 GB memory card. It's taped with, I'll open this bag afterwards. And I have the Nikon D5600, which is the toppest model in the D5000 range. So if you can see, this is a bundled pack. Yeah, so this is a bundle pack which consists of body, 1855mm lens and 7300mm lens, and this tells 1855 VR plus 7300 VR kit, and this tells D5600 autofocus P DX Nikon 1855mm and aperture settings and all those stuff. So when I scroll this side, I'll remove the plastic, is just freshly out of the parcel. Yeah, so this is how it looks. I'll just turn the box for you all. It tells accessory includes strap, rechargeable lithium ion battery charger, user manual and warranty. That's what you get here. On the sides, so this is the total thing, everything what you get. So you get a rechargeable battery, warranty card, and MRP is 72,550 rupees. Okay, and things that you get is one body, two lenses, strap, body cap, rechargeable battery, charger, plug, adapter, user manual, warranty card, and one each lens cap, and two rear cap. And date of import is of October 2018, so it's a very fresh piece. The box is very light, and if you can see here, connections, Wi-Fi, you have Bluetooth, Photo Nation, then HDMI, Android, SDXC, that is the model of SD card it will accept. So it's very light, and this even is accessible to Snap Bridge. Okay, so now I'll open the box. Please check if found broken, then you have to give it back to Nikon so that they will give you a new piece. I don't know why is it not opening. Yeah, it's open from this side. Okay, so I waited for this from so long. So that's all. I think the seal is opened. So let's open the box. Oh no, it's not open. Yeah, done. So this is how it looks when you open the box. It has this user manual. Oh, it's pretty easy. Like, it shows it's very easy. This is the quick start guide.
So we'll keep all this stuff. This is designed by a specialist, exclusive 95 service points across India, and those stuff as a free support, and then it shows service centers wherever it's available. Then you have I'm learning photography, and then 50% discount on basic DSLR training and photo walk by Nikon mentors with Nikon coaches, and this is a school. Just go and get to do this stuff. Then you get a lot of reflex. You have to even earn points with this. Yeah, then a lot of stuff. So welcome to Nikon owners and all those stuff. This is 2-year comprehensive review warranty. Sorry. So this is service warranty that you get. Then again you get 3 leaflets of worldwide service warranty. That's all. So I keep all this stuff aside
because you don't need it now. Then I open this, and I open. Wow, boy oh boy, it looks so good, man. It looks so good. So let's take out the box contents. This is the charger adapter. This is the battery, lithium ion battery. This is the Nikon strap. And 1 minute, it's like this is the body basically, for which the price is very high. And then you get this kit lens, 2 kit lenses. I'll just put the box aside. because then it contains all the bubble wrap. Okay, so this has the lenses. I'm very sorry, toppled off. Oh no, the camera is losing focus. So you get everything. So let's quickly take out everything out of the plastic. So this is like really cool power adapter. Okay, that's not cool, but you need to. So you get one battery, you don't get multiple batteries. Yeah, that's what any company offers you. So this is a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. I'll just keep it aside. And this is the body. This is a Nikon D5600 body. And yeah, if I see, it's like pretty cool. So there is the LCD screen. Then there is the place where you put lenses. Basically, I am like pretty much beginner for DSLR, so I am not pretty much with any idea. But I know basic things like what and how. I'm like opening. This is the 1855mm lens. Okay, so you get this, and this is pretty bit heavy but not very heavy. Yeah, and this is an 7300mm lens. Nice, impressive. So let's take out this 1855mm lens. Wow, nice. It looks really cool. Nikon branding is there. So you just keep the lens like this. Yeah, and what I'll do is I'll just first put battery in this and then I'll switch it on. And this is how, I don't know how you open it. It is opened. So you have multiple slots here. You can insert a mic as well. This is the button for. Okay, so SD card goes in here and battery goes in here. So you have to be very careful. And I'll just open this thing. I'll put it. Okay. That's all. So this is done, and you even have to take out this. So this is the lens back. Just keep it aside. I will first open this. It's a mirrored camera. Okay, so now first you have to match the points in this. Okay. So, sorry for that noise. Here and here, first you match both. How you match? Okay. No, I'll just install the lens and then I'll get back to you. So I am fitted the lens here. This is how it looks. Lens, please focus. I don't know why you're not focusing. Guys, so okay, I have done everything. All the setup is done, everything. I don't know. Then, so the camera is switched on. You can use this LVL. Just first your lens. Your lens first has to be open. Yeah, so it's here, and if you can see, the battery is not even there. You just can focus. So that is how you can focus. It's totally upon the lens how it does that. So now this is at 18mm and the maximum it can go is 55mm. So it can just go that close. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please do like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. We'll be meeting in our next one, and I'll be soon getting a review video of this. Bye bye, stay tuned, and thank you for watching.